おはようございます。 Z プロジェクトが続きます。で初めてショップの中に入れましたね。あーちゃんおはよう。あーちゃんに今ちょっとタイヤのね、ナットを確認してもらってるんだけど、これをフェンダーを切ってからまだ溶接がなってないので、アイブンのところに今から行ってそこでちょっと溶接してもらいましょう。キムさんのビートはこの中にもあります。ガレージにサムズアップ、今からドライブです。久しぶりに Z で、忘れる前に新作です。この限定品ですね。このトレーナーはわずかしか残ってないので Amazon Japan そして steespov.com で、確認していただければと思います。もう間もなく多分なくなると思いますのでお早めに。こっちは全然大丈夫。久しぶりの Z ドライブ、Z で行こう。ドライブしましょう。アイバンのところまで。ガレージの中で寝かしてて、もう作業が全然進んでなくて、車全然乗られてないからかわいそうだよね、この車は。久しぶりにいろんな匂いをしているんだよね、今日は。でもね、なんだかんだってこの車っていつもエンジンがかかるよね。言いたくないんだけど、いつもかかるよね。で乗ってくださいっていう感じなんで。修理が必要かな。しばらく乗ってないから調子はどうかな。この車マジで属車のショーにしたらまた結構取れるようになるよね。これもサニトラも忘れてないよ。サニトラちょっとテキサスに越してきてから R のところでお世話になってるんで、間もなくそのうちサニトラまた出てくるからね。皆さんお楽しみに。 いい音じゃないあちゃん。おー。いいね、いい音。Nice job. All right, Ivan, I know what you really want to tell me. I'm an idiot for chopping up my car, okay? I know you were throwing up in your mouth. You were crying literally when you saw me on the video. But it is what it is. And thank God you're here because now I need your help. And I've never welded before. I have no experience doing it. And I really don't want to have these double layers of metal here that are open. These exposed areas be able to let dirt and water and other stuff come up in here.
Absolutely,
So
yes.
with your assistance today, hope to get these kind of tacked up nice and neat. I'm gonna use a little body sealer is what I'm thinking after that to kind of fill the rest in, seal it completely up, and then me and here are gonna be drilling some bigger holes and getting on those big major fenders on the side of this thing. Guys, Ivan's Performance always, this is the man doing our engine on the 86, helping with the welding on this, and I can't tell you, there's so many more things going through my head right now that me and you're gonna be doing together. I like this guy, he's awesome. It's all about that. All right, man, let's get to work.
Let's get to work.
Cool. Preparation, what do they say, Ivan? 90%?
It's all
It's about 90% prep and then the rest. All right, let's get some welding done.
Get it going.
あちゃんが溶接するの
All I want is certain, certain. All I want is certain, certain. All I want is certain, certain. All I want is certain.
誰この変なおっさんと思ってるんだ
ほら養鶏場出身なんでね、日本ではね養鶏場にいたからコッコッコじゃなくてバーバッバッバッバッバッバッバッバッバッバッバッバーなかなか綺麗にやってくれたんだよね。嬉しいわ。これできて、で次はこれ錆びないように錆止めと、あとこの残ってるわずかのところに シーラーみたいなものが覚えてる方もいると思うんだけど、ランクル売ってくれたブランドンさんのという方が開発した商品があるんで、その商品でそれに塗ってお水とか何も入っていけないように、それと行動も良くなることもあるので、これからの作業ですね。アイブンにありがたいんだよね。アイブンとブランドンとレイモンとこのショップは本当にみんな親切で最高ですね。Ivan, thank you always, man.
Thank you.
Another job well done. It's always nice to come here too. You know what, too? In the old days, you're young, so you don't understand this. Maybe your dad once told you this. Mechanics were never happy people. They were grumpy, they were angry, they were old. Do you know about this?
A little bit. Yeah.
In today's day and age, it's a little. There's still a grumpy old mechanic, but when you come to a shop like your place, people are smiling, they're friendly. It's nice. So it's a nice feeling to even just hang out here, man. Too. It's
That's
not
a
like
great
the old
feedback. Yes.
get out of my face, like the old mechanic guy.
We love having customers around, having people like you having fun, doing the same thing we do. So of course, we gotta be smiling.
It's all about the community. It's all about good customer service.
Yeah.
Keep people coming back.
Yeah.
You got me coming back again. Oh, this part too. What's next?
It's a beautiful thing.
What's next?
Coming up.
Coming up soon. Thanks, Ivan.
Thank
See
you.
you again, man.